Hi everyone, welcome back to our new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can create this kind of icon boxes. Basically in creating all these icons and applying that text below that icon, so we are going to use Elementor for this. So first of all, let's go to our website and see how does it work. First you need to visit your WP admin so that you can access your WordPress dashboard. So here we are on our WordPress dashboard now. So this is our dashboard, as you all know. First you need to go on this pages section and click here. So whenever you click, this type of page will be appearing here. Then click on Elementor, or you can directly click on Elementor, edit with Elementor. Okay, so now click on this edit with Elementor. Okay, now just wait for a few times so that it can load the page for you. Okay, now we are done. Now go down here and click on this button. So for example, I choose this, and now let me select this inner section so that we can create multiple icon boxes here. Okay, now click on this 9 dots so that we can access all these elements again. Now search for icon box. Okay, so if you choose only icon, then you will be able to see the icon here. If you choose icon box, then you can add multiple things like icon name, and then the description about that icon. Okay, so I choose this. Now for example, here we have the first one is this digital clock type. Okay, so you just need to click on this icon library, or if you have your own icons, then you can upload them in SVG format. Okay, so let me just check if we have something as digital. So we have this icon as a digital icon, so let me just insert it here. Okay, so you can see our icon is now here, and the text is digital check-in. Digital check-in. Okay, and we do not have any kind of description, so I'm going to remove this. Let's do styling for this section. We need to change the color. You can just make it of any color that you want. So for example, we made it a little bit of orange color. Okay, I think this is fine. Okay, and this text color would be black. If you can see here the content section, then you need to click here, and now you can edit the content properties. So I made it black, or you can just choose the same color as that of your icon. Okay, so just put it here, and now move your color. Okay, so we are almost done. So this is how you can create an icon. Now see how we can create multiple icons like this. So I just need to duplicate them, and I will be able to see multiple icons here. Okay, as you can see here we got 4, and we need to make it 6. Okay, let's copy it one more time. And now what you need to do, you just need to edit them, like you need to remove, or you need to change this icon for each and every one. So for example, I choose Wi-Fi icon here, and let me insert it here. I need to write Wi-Fi. Next we can choose support kind of. Headset. Okay, so here we get the headset. Click on insert it, and the next one is like so for example, I choose this for business meetings and all, and I'm gonna write here in description as business. Okay, and just leave them empty, or you can just fill out as per your requirement. Okay, if you just go and preview the changes, you will be able to see that what exactly it's appearing. Okay, here you can see this is how our icons are appearing right now. Now you want to make them more appealing and look more better, so you just need to edit them, their size, their spacing and all. Okay, so for example, let's start with its size. I think it's proper now 38. And let's try with the content also. I need to click on this typography, and from here you can check on your content size also. Okay, for example, I choose it 19. Okay, 19 is also fine. Okay, so for example, now let's move to this one also. I think that was 38, and the content size is 19. Okay, so this is how you can edit your icon. You can make it of any color. It's totally depends upon you, and you can just make it more appealing. Now let me tell you one more thing here, that how you can add animations to it. Okay, so I'm just keeping or leaving it here. You can do the same thing for each and every icon. Okay, even I can remove them, but set leave it. Okay, so let me just show you that how you can apply animation on them. So you just need to go on this motion effect first, and now see here it is asking oh the entrance effect. So if I put is from fade in left, so if you see it comes from the left side. Okay, so this is how you can apply animation on them. Let me show you on one more. For example, I applied a animation here also. Come fading down. So if you see it comes from down, and if I want to apply on this, so let me just apply it from fade in from down. Let me see one more time. Okay, so this time this comes from the upper side, sorry, lower side. Now let me show you that how it's appearing right now. Let's reload the page first so that we can see the changes. Okay, if you can see the icons come from one from the left side, then the second from upper side, and the third from the down side. Okay, so this is how you can apply simple animation. Next, okay, so this is how you can just apply motion effect on your content. I hope you got my point, and now you know how to do these animations and these icons, how we can apply all these icons also. So if you like this video, then make sure that you hit the like button, and for more videos, and I will show you in the next video. If you want to make or if you have any kind of query that you want to be resolved, then you can just mention that in comment section. I will surely make a video on that. Okay, so see you in the next